providing a full range of services for Chinese manufacturing, robotics, CNC equipment combined with cycle sensors. Not only significantly improves the effective working time of traditional equipment, but also automatically recognizes and judges processing or operating objects, so that the equipment has the smart function of independent operation according to the processing object. This is the smart equipment solution provided by Cycle.